guys, Andy here, and here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. So if you want to see what I got, what I chose, swatches, and all of that, then let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so if you don't know anything about Ipsy, you always get a Glam bag, which changes every month. This is our June bag, which, here's your tag there. This actually was designed by Tim Simpleton. It'll say, we'll get into that. But this is $15 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee, and you're guaranteed to get 5 deluxe size samples. But you do usually get like at least one full-size item. You're just not guaranteed any. You do get to make one choice item. It's around the 20-something of the month. Your profile will tell you. This always tells you the 23rd of June will be your July choice. So, and then there's always a theme. The theme for this month is Make Bold Moves. Bring on the bright hues and dopamine boosting glam. This month is all about chasing joy and expressing it through every look. Your bag has a value of up to $70 plus. Mine tells me my products on the inside. They don't always, but they try to, and you get a QR code that'll take you to the app or the website. On the back, it tells you about the month's mystery bags, which this is what they look like. These were also designed by, yes, Tim Singleton, excuse me. So, I don't like the design of these bags. I love the print on these. It feels like a swimsuit material. The inside has little hearts. I think this is a really cute bag. And like, the material would be good for a makeup bag, but it's giving, if I touched this for too long, I feel like I'd have a sensory issue. I feel that way. Now it's giving us some sneak peeks. I love looking at the sneak peeks. So we have the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I have always wanted to try that, though I don't need any more cleanser. I think that that would be nice. We have the Amika, the Wizard Silicone-Free Detangling Hair Primer. Don't need that. I do not want hair care products. And then we have the Benefit Hoola Matte Bronzer. Hoola, the shade Hoola does not work for me, so I wouldn't want that. If it was Hoola Light, I've always wanted to try Hoola Light because I loved the formula of the Hoola bronzer, but the shade Hoola doesn't work for me. So that's a me problem. So we're just going to pull things out of my bag. And the first thing out is a full-size item. So let me get it out of its bag and scroll to where it is. So this is from Luna Magic, and it is a double-sided poof. So we have the yellow side and the orange side. This is an innovative double-sided puff that is your new go-to for flawless complexion application. This is a sponge side that allows you to blend liquid and cream formulas effortlessly. Oh, it is such an interesting feel. Okay. And then this is a velour puff on the other side to work with your powders to set your complexion in place for a smooth, long-lasting finish. Plus you have the finger handle, which makes it super easy to control and for perfect application every time. I will say, I feel like the finger hole would get in the way of using it for, like, the powder side. It'd be nice for this side. But, like, if you're going to use it for the powder, I feel like that would get in the way. But I'm very interested to try this, especially the sponge side. But this was not listed on Luna Magic's website anywhere. They have a 2-puff thing, but it's not anything like this. It's just 2 little puffs that don't look anything like this. So, you know, take that with what you will. Ipsy lists this for $12. Actually, I want to put this back in its bag because I'm currently using a poof, so I don't need this right now. But I will keep this because I'm interested to use it. I'm currently the poof. It looks gross because, you know, foundation, but it's the one from Kimchi Chic. It's the one that comes in their loose powder. I got rid of the powder because I just didn't need the lavender powder. But this puff is like the softest, nicest puff I've ever used. I want the kimchi powder in the no color shade because I just think that that would be so much better for me. Next product The next one, we can go to this. This is my choice item that I picked. So this is from Lovecraft Beauty. If I see a Lovecraft Beauty item in the choice, I generally pick it because I love this brand so much. And this is a face palette. So it's their Astro Allure face palette in the shade Light Medium. So let's open this up. So this retails for $20, and it's a full 7.5 grams, and it's a multi-use face palette that gives you the perfect sun-kissed radiance. So we have a pink champagne highlighter, a warm bronzer shade, a warm bronze shade of bronzer, and then a stunning hot pink blush. This all-in-one palette helps you achieve that coveted warm glow, no sun required. No scent. Does the box say anything? Ooh, it gives you steps. Ooh. Step 1, apply bronzer for definition along the hollows of your cheeks, hair, jawline. Blend well to avoid harsh lines. Then apply the blush. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks. And then step 3, apply highlighter. Tip, for a cosmic glow, mix your blush with the highlighter for a radiant effect. Okay, obviously. So let's see. We have the bronzer. Ooh. Pigment. Okay, it's buildable. It's giving orange, but I'm interested to try it on the face. I am in love with the shade of this blush. It's giving like what I have on my cheeks today. Okay, where's the pigment? Alright, that's 2 layers. I mean, swatches don't tell everything, because this might not be how it applies with a brush. And then we have the highlight. Ooh, that highlight. Oh ho ho, buddy. That highlight is giving. Yep. So here's my issue. Hang on, I was not prepared. Ugh. And of course I ripped it. God, I hate these wipes. I hate these wipes so much. I'm going to tell Ian we're going this weekend to Marshall's and I'm getting a different set because these are god-awful. So here's my thing, though. Here's the highlight brush that I use, which is actually from Luna Magic. That will fit. That, totally fine. Here are because this is the nose brush that I use for bronzer. That'll fit. That's fine. This is the regular bronzer brush that I use. I mean, I'll have to go this way with it, but like, it'll fit. That'll be fine. Okay, I was worried. And then this is the blush brush that I use, which like, we have so much room for blush, so. Okay, I was a little worried with the bronzer that like, it wasn't gonna fit, but I'll be able to make it work. I am excited. I will have to report back on how that works and if I like it. That was $20. Oh God, no, I'm saving that for last because that made me want to cry with how expensive that's about to be. So we have from First Aid Beauty, which if you saw my BoxyCharm, I kind of talked about this a little bit. This is their Ultra Repair Body Lotion. So this is a deluxe mini. So the full size is $18 for 56.7 grams. This guy is 28.3 grams. So half size? So this would retail for $9.10. So yeah, half the size of a full size. It's a lightweight body lotion that's perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive skin. I do love that First Aid Beauty really caters to sensitive skin. It's infused with shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. It helps provide instant relief, soothes dryness, and even helps treat eczema. So, I have very dry elbows, knees. I do have a skin condition. I don't have eczema, but I do have a skin condition. So, like, I've tried this before. Not in this packaging. I've tried it in the tub. Hated it. It's too thick for me. It just really is. And part of me wants to keep it and try it on my feet because I am diabetic. So my feet are very, very dry and I need to constantly keep them lotioned because foot health is very important when you're diabetic. But like, I did not enjoy this. Could someone let me know in the comments, when you get it in the tube, is it a different texture than the Ultra Repair Cream that you get in the tub? Is this going to be a different texture? Because if this is a different texture, I will try it. But if it's not, then I don't want it. Because I did not like that when I had it before. So, as of right now, because this is correct, yes, it is sealed, I'll put this in my giveaway drawer. Because I'm already saving things up for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's going to be ages, probably another year before we get there. But, you know, it's fine. Then we had the Kokie Chrome Gel Eyeliner, and they sent me the shade Electra, which is a shimmery peach. This is also a full size. We got 3 full-size items in my bag. So, Ipsy said that this was $10, but when I looked on Kokie's website, this is listed for $7. So, do with that what you will. But it says it's a high pigment gel eyeliner that delivers a stunning color shifting effect, changing hues at different angles and in varying lights. Its smooth, easy to apply formula glides on effortlessly, giving you a bold metallic finish that lasts all day. And it comes with a built-in sharpener. It does. Because I don't think all of them do. My thing is, I don't think I ever use those. Like, once it gets dull, I don't want to point on my eyeliners. But I think this shade, so we got like peach and gold. Ooh, and you're seeing it in pink. And originally I wasn't going to keep this. Like when I saw it on the Ipsy, which they do a horrible job of taking photos. Things never look the same color on their website as they do in person. But I don't like a shimmering eyeliner, but I do like multi-chrome eyeliners and pretty sparkly eyeliners. Like specifically, shimmer and sparkle are different. So, I am very excited to try this. And you know, had I not put eyeliner in my waterline, can I put this on top? Will that work? Let us see. Oh, it's working. You guys can't see the sparkle. That's so pretty. I'm so here for this. And we get, 1 mil. What does it say on here? 0.25 grams of eyeliner compared to, what do we got? That's not a lot of eyeliner. So in my melt eyeliner, we get 1.2 grams. And in my Lovecraft Beauty one, we get 1.21 grams. We only get 0.25 grams of eyeliner in here, so it's not a lot. You're going to go through it very quickly, but it is cheap. So. And our very last product, which is ungodly expensive. This is crazy, and I do have one add-on, but this is from Dermalactives. I've tried 2 things from them through Ipsy. And they're just an expensive brand to be expensive, in my opinion. But this is their vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, the Perfecting Face Serum. So, this is a deluxe mini. The full-size serum is $290 for 50 ml. First, let's just let that sink in for 2 seconds. Because when I read that, I was like, there's no way. Because I would never. This is 10 ml. This guy. So when you do the math, this is a $58 sample. It is sealed, which is great. This lightweight serum is loaded with antioxidants to help protect, nourish, and visibly firm your skin. Vitamin C for glow, retinol for smoothness, and bee venom for a plumping boost. It leaves your complexion looking refreshed, lifted, and ready to shine. I'm so torn on wanting to try this because 1, it's expensive, which just makes me want to try it. 2, I like vitamin C. My skin likes vitamin C. Okay, great. My skin does not like retinol. It just doesn't. I like bakuchiol better. My skin prefers that over actual retinol. And like, I don't even know. Yeah, avoid contact with eyes. I'm sure there's bee venom in it. Like, this didn't even come with the box, so like, I don't even know what. Again, yeah, I could look it up online, but like, what's the percentage of retinol in this? I don't know. The bee venom? Bee venom? That makes me scared, but also want to try it. But I think the last thing I tried that had something to that effect was the pharmacy. It was a serum that you put on like your body, and that hurt. Like, that hurt real bad. So I don't know if I want to put this on my face. So part of me, even though this sounds really cool and it is expensive, part of me kind of just wants to throw this in the giveaway drawer, because I don't know if I even want to try, like, what if I use it one time and I have a horrible reaction and then I have to throw it out because now it's open. So I think I'm just going to put this in the giveaway drawer too, because I'm kind of spooked about it. Not gonna lie. So, our total bag value is $109.10, which is crazy. I don't know if I've had a better Ipsy Glam bag value than that. Like, 3 full-size items. We got, you know, a deluxe mini, and then the most expensive little guy on the planet. I mean, no, but the most expensive little guy I've probably ever had. So that's crazy. And then I did get one add-on. I wanted like 12, but I settled for 1. So this is from Mannakadar, and it's tiny. I did not think it was going to be this small, but this is the Flawless Finish Dual Powder in the shade C2, which is Flawless Porcelain. I don't enjoy the packaging. You have to screw the lid off. So, don't love that. So the full size of this guy, because this is a deluxe mini, is 9.36 grams, which would retail for $24. And this only comes in like 4 shades on Mannakadar's website. This is 3 grams of product for $7.68, and I think I paid the $3.50, so I got it for half off, basically. But this is a velvety soft powder that helps even out your skin and blur imperfections, kind of like an IRL filter. Its versatile and multifunctional formula not only helps set your makeup, but can be worn alone as a medium coverage face powder for a flawless smooth base. So, you can dust it on lightly to set your complexion, or you can use it as a powder foundation, is what they're saying. Ooh. Oh my god, I didn't even realize that eyeliner did not come off. Hang on, let's see. Oh my gosh, this eyeliner. I really had to scrub with that makeup wipe to get that eyeliner off. That's wild. But that's the face powder. I don't know. Ooh, you can really see the cast there. I don't know if I'd ever wear it as a powder foundation, just because like the shade is light. But maybe it was like an under eye powder to brighten the under eyes. That might be pretty. But like lightly dusted, I don't think it would be a problem. Like obviously that's a built up swatch, but the couple things I've tried from Mannakadar, I do really like. I just think it's an expensive brand. Like my Ipsy last month, I got this spray and I'm currently using it and I like it. It smells nice, feels nice. It works. But I just don't think I'd ever go out of my way to purchase Mannakadar, but I like it, so there is that guy. So that is going to do it for my regular Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this month's bag. What did you think of what I got? Did you choose this as well? Are we bag twins? Otherwise, that's going to do it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!